Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this regular logo design done by Illustrator to 3D logo like this. Just a one click instantly. So in Illustrator, if you have any logo or text like this, black text on white, so save it and then export as the PNG file. Then go to website 3dlogolab.lo. I'm going to make a link to this web page and then go to upload image. Upload image. You will find your exported PNG file. Open it. That's it. Isn't it amazing? See? You can control the thickness. See? Also, you can control on the bottom here in the materials. You may apply different materials. And gold, same way. And even different color, different texture. And in animation, you may apply it, but you need to subscribe as a pro. So once you're done, and then you may export this as the PNG file. I'm not gonna have this, maybe this. Then go to export, and my image size, I'm gonna keep the landscape orientation and the quality, high quality, and then my background, I'm gonna keep transparent background so I can apply it to a different background image and export it. Okay, then let me check. It goes to your download folder. See? You can just use it now. All right, so that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.